Success is simple but not easy. Yes. Okay. I have two things. Number one, always over deliver. See, you know what? We conducted the event, EBW, right? And now the event is over. We have been to so many events. We have been to so many events. But you know what? Nobody even asks. Nobody even asks once the event is over. We are over here making sure that yes, we over deliver to our customers. AdsCrisp is a software which we have sold already. StockCoach, any other software, any other buyer of mine who is sitting over here, I've already sold you the product. But, and you know that nobody asks after selling this stuff. But the thing that we believe in is over delivering. And you know why? You know why? Because when you over deliver, I mean, you get that wow feeling, right? You get that wow feeling. And when you get that wow feeling, I mean, that is the biggest feeling that you can get, right? That is the biggest feeling that you can get. But you know what? I don't want from you that the gratitude or the thank you or something like that from you. No, the only thing that we want from you is action. The only thing that we want from you is action, because even if even if we over deliver, we do it anything and everything for you, it does not matter until and unless you take action. Until and unless you take action. So make sure that you take action. And yes, i have a the, you can say a request, or you can say I just did this. I inside my Instagram profile, I added this image and I have asked over there, how was the session today? And this is my Instagram handle. If you can give me the feedback for my session on my Instagram profile, this is my Instagram handle, @Madipreneur. @Madipreneur is my Instagram handle. And please take action. Take action, okay? And I'm waiting for the feedback for today's session. And yes, you can follow me. Okay. And at the same time, I'm not sure how many of you are aware or not. Rahul is going to share more details about this. But very soon in New Delhi, we are going to do a sales masterclass, which is going to be a physical sales masterclass. And you have got to be there, because we are going to make it extraordinary 2 days of full value content with Rahul Bhatnagar and Saurabh Bhatnagar. As you say, Bhatnagar brothers. So this is going to be legendary. Okay, so 2 days of full value content is going to be delivered at the sales masterclass. We are planning this in the month of August. And thank you so much. Just like I said, this is the most important thing. I value your time. And that's why I always make sure that whenever I am doing a session, whenever I am doing a training, whatever I am doing, I'm going to make sure that I am going to over deliver. And it is our responsibility. If somebody is spending their time with us, it is our responsibility to make sure that we over deliver. Sonali says, is there a specific color scheme that are more attractive? uh, Not exactly, but yes, there are specific color schemes which are like uh, okay, let me write it down for you. Blue is one color that creates more trust. And then at the same time, when I need to highlight something, red is my preferred color for highlighting things. You see, this call to action, sorry, this timer is something that I wanted to highlight. So I made sure that it is red in color. This at the top, this bar over here, I made sure I wanted to make this highlighted. So I made sure that this is red in color. Okay, for the call to action, green and orange. Now these are the colors that I use the most. Call to action, green and orange. And yes, your background should always be white or very light color. If you will see over here, this is a very light color. And in majority of the places on the sales page, you will see the white background. This almost white background over here, this white background over here, this almost white background over here. Just for the headlines, we have these different colors, but then white background or a very white or a very minutely white background. So this is totally white. This is light blue, which is almost white, right? And then the testimonial has to be highlighted in different color, but then again, light white or almost semi white. So over here, white or light blue, white or light blue, white or light blue. So make sure that your content, whenever you are writing down the content, it is very white. It is the background is white or some color which is easily readable. And I mean, see, I told you this. I told you a very specific principle today. Don't look at what, look at why. Now, today, go and look at Facebook. You will realize the background of Facebook is totally white. Go and look at Instagram. It is white. Go and look at Twitter. It is white. Go and look at Snapchat. It is white. All the famous applications, all the famous companies, all the famous websites, you will find the background is white. And the reason is you have to make it as simple as that, because you know what, people try to use fancy stuff on their sales page. They try to show their creativity. They use the font which is not easily readable and all sort of stuff. No, you have to use very simple things. Just look at this font is very simple and easily readable at the same time. But then at the same time, I see people who are using very complicated fonts, very complicated colors, dark colors, and all sort of stuff. It has to be really pleasing to the eyes. And if it is really pleasing to the eyes, automatically you will be able to sell more. You will be able to get more of their attention, right? In fact, let me also show you the StockCoach sales page, okay? So have a look at this screenshot, which is proof, 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 more proof, more proof, more proof, 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 proof over here. Then three options how you can get this mother load of traffic. Either you create your own original HD images, or you buy from Shutterstock, which will sell you for $99 per image, or you grab the 35,000 stock images collection from StockCoach, right? Then the exact feature of the software, the product, so all the images and stuff. Then more benefits. 41% customers are more likely to buy because of eye-catching visuals. Grab the attention of the audience who now has an attention span of less than 9 seconds. More benefit, more benefit, more benefit, more benefit. And then more additional benefits, greater retention, enhanced trust, grab attention, and then more proof and more additional benefits that not only uh, you will be able to rank in Google, but also you can go viral on Facebook. You can, oopsie. Yeah. You can go viral on Facebook. You can make better Facebook ads. You can dominate Instagram. You can make better YouTube thumbnails, Pinterest account. So again, why? Why the things are over there? Let me also put this URL over here, okay? So that you can get more idea. Both Bhatnagar brothers are on a mission to make so many successful. Everyone needs to just put in the hard work and hustle. Absolutely. Absolutely. Just need to put in the hard work and hustle. I have put the URL over here in the notes. How to copywriting for others if we don't have our own product and earn money. Reach out to people. That's it. Reach out to people and tell them that you are going to do the copywriting for them. For the first project, if you don't have the enough proof for yourself, then take the first project for free, give them the results, and then use that case study and charge the other people. That's exactly how things are done. How can we use copywriting for print on demand products, as it does not solve any problem? They are just t-shirts and shoes and all. Ratnaraj, you won't you be writing the advertisements on Facebook or on Instagram? AIDA, right? Saurabh sir, what we have to prefer to create landing page? I use this software called Igloo. let me see if I can. By the way, AdsCrisp and StockCoach sales pages were made via HTML because the landing pages that you make via softwares, they are not able to cope up with uh, the sales pages which are very heavy and very lengthy. They are able to cope up with the landing pages which are like small. So landing pages like let's say the funnel mastery landing page that I had over here. So this particular landing page has been made by Igloo. So I mean, you will see that the length of this particular landing page is not much. I mean, this is decent. Okay. So this much landing page is okay. It is good enough. So this is this much. But when you compare it with the AdScript sales page, it is not even half. So for the lengthy sales pages, we make sure that we make it on HTML. So we hire the specific HTML person to do it for us. Is there any software for copywriting content? I mean, no, not really. You just need to fill in the blanks. The all the exercise that we did today, if you are able to do this, you can write much better copy than any software or anything can help you with. How many times CTA button should be there in landing page? Okay, now this is a very good question. As many times whenever you feel that now you feel that the customer will be convinced, that now he or she is convinced now is the time to buy, put the call to action right then and there. For example, we added so many proof and then we thought, okay, now I feel that the customer will be convinced, now was the time to add the call to action. Then more proof, more stuff, more features over here. Now we've said, okay, now we have given them enough features, now maybe they are convinced. Okay, now is the time to add the call to action. So as many times as you feel that yes, the customer will be convinced, you add the call to action. Okay. Do you think creating a copywriting content software or website can help us make a passive income? See, anything that helps a person reach from a place A to place Z, anything that help a person in solving their problem, it will help. So the answer is yes. How to create a landing page? You have the landing pages software, right? I just recommended a name. And okay, let me do one thing. Let me write down the name of the landing page software that I use, and let me talk to the vendor and see if I can get a specific discount for you. And if I get a specific discount for you, I have to be really honest, right? I will share that along with my affiliate link. I hope that's not a problem. And is this app help me to make ad for my hard work ladies dress? Yes, you can create ads for your ladies dress as well. I'm learning affiliate marketing. Which platform will provide right knowledge about affiliate marketing? See, this is Kiran. You know what? The best way to do affiliate marketing is first make people aware of the things, and once they are aware of the things, once they feel that yes, this is something that they need, they will automatically buy. In fact, I will give this example right now. I told you that I'm going to come up with a special discount for you and I will share my affiliate link. Now, I'm not pressing upon it. I'm not saying anything. I'm simply not pressing you to buy the product. I'm simply saying that I use this product, I trust this product, and this is something that you can also use. And I'm going to share my affiliate link with you. If you want to buy, you can buy. But I'm pretty sure that out of all the audience that is sitting in today's session, a lot of people would be interested in buying. Why? Because it's a good product. So first I gave you the information, I gave you the entire stuff, and then I told you that yes, you can buy. So that's simply how affiliate marketing should be done. Ideally, it should be done like this. First you give the education. Once you have given the education, then the person would be more than interested to buy. Remember, people love to buy, but they don't love to be sold. People love to buy, but they don't love to be sold. Okay, let's open it right away. Does animation for CTA button create any impact? It depends. It should not be really fancy. Okay, it should not be really fancy. It should be really simple. If this app helped me to make ad for my handwork ladies dress, yes, I answered this. I've you are doing FB ads past 7 years, but we are just new to these things also. How can we train our mind for this? You have to start from somewhere, right? You know what, Shekhar? Facebook is something which changes its policies almost on a daily basis. So the update that is going to come tomorrow, even I am not aware of that. We are always on the same level. Trust me on this. You know what? The thing that you are saying right now is nothing but an excuse of not learning now. Your product is not going to be obsolete, right? Your product, it is you who has to sell your product. Learn it and then sell it. Would copywriting, you telling us work for non-digital products or service bus? Absolutely, Michelle. Come on. I gave you the example in the beginning of this session, right? This the difference between a veg restaurant and a premium veg restaurant. It works for every single product in this world. This versus this. It works for every single product in this world. Can we create animated videos through your software? No, you can create video ads through our software. So you can go to the sales page and over there you can have a look at the templates that we have over there. If you have WordPress, can I make page in HTML and upload via WordPress or directly upload through hosting service? You can directly upload through hosting service when you create a page in HTML. So only with video ads can we make sales or copywriting is mandatory. Only with video ads can we make sales or copy. Santosh, come on. You are saying for living is what is the role of nose and what is the role of eyes. Both of these elements play a very specific role. Video ads play a very specific role and copywriting play a very specific role. Both of these things are multiple pieces that you have to do. Any master suggestion, new affiliate marketers to start with? Start. Is landing page and sales page the same? Landing page, sales, see, sales page is one of the landing pages. Okay, so have you read in the mathematics the subset and the sets which are inside the subsets? So there is a major set, then there are multiple subsets. So landing pages is the major set, and then sales page, webinar registration page, lead generation page, and everything else comes as a, all of them are the landing page. I'm a mechanical engineer. If I want to create landing page, is it necessary to have coding skills? I don't have coding skills myself, and you are a mechanical engineer, which means you are closer to the technology. I am a BSc physics honors guy. Okay, whatever you will tell me, the reason for not doing this stuff, I will tell you that is an excuse. So please tell me about affiliate marketing. I'm going to learn, and please any suggestion for this generating revenue effectively. Become a master at something and you will be able to generate revenue by doing every single thing in this world. First, I learned Facebook marketing. Then I started doing it for the clients. Then I made my own products and now I'm selling my own products using Facebook marketing and I'm not using it for any client. Learn some skill. When you will learn some skill, you will be able to do it for yourself or the clients.